Apocalypse is humanity's worst enemy. Everything we have achieved till now will go to waste, whether it be a zombie apocalypse or alien invasion. If we have to survive in such a world, shouldn't we at least grasp basic knowledge about it? Watching post-apocalyptic animes can help you a lot with that. So we have compiled a list of post-apocalyptic anime series that you can watch before the world ends. And with the unique concepts they bring out, you will love them till the end. So without any further ado, let's start with our video. On the 13th number, the anime name is High School of Dead. When an infected person arrives at school, the majority of the students gets turned into zombies. The whole school is bloodbath and even the outside world is the same. Together with a few survivors, Rei and Takashi set out to find their families while facing the dangerous zombies. Will they make it or end up getting eaten by these things? High School of Dead is a gold standard anime because there were not many anime movies or anime shows with such a caliber. It shows everything perfectly, including some minor details. Although it contains a lot of ecchi scenes, thus only acts as a moment to refresh us. It is action-packed, thrilling, and even though it has a single season, it will be worth watching it. On the 12th number, the anime name is Kabaneri of the Iron Fortress. The world suddenly turns during the Industrial Revolution, and undead monsters are everywhere. The remaining survivors of the mankind protects themselves by building walls. If bitten by them, you become one of them, and the only way to kill them is to pierce their heart with an iron plate. From one station to another, hunters travel and face a lot of obstacles. Kabaneri of the Iron Fortress is such an underrated gem. In just 12 episodes, it gives you a perfect mixture of action and standard storyline. There is no end to surprise us as well. If you love Attack on Titan, this one will be a great ride for you. There are more than a few epic moments to make your eyes wide. So if you are looking for a post-apocalyptic anime, try this one out. On the 11th number, the anime name is Ergo Proxy. The story takes place in the futuristic world where a global ecological catastrophe has doomed the planet. People have built their domes and living in them since life outside is virtually impossible. While they live with humanoid robots, these robots begins to gain self-awareness due to the mysterious virus. To investigate this matter, Rei I. Meyer is assigned and soon she discovers humanity's darkest sins. Ergo Proxy is a great post-apocalyptic anime with a complex plot. For the first few episodes, you won't be having any idea where the plot is going, but if you wait for a while, it will be worth it. It has a few flaws, but they won't be enough to stop you from watching this anime. So if you haven't watched this one yet, consider watching it right now. On the 10th number, the anime name is Chrome Shelled Regios. The story takes place in a post-apocalyptic world overrun by the beast known as Filth Beasts. Zuelni is an academy in one of the cities where the next generation of warriors gather. The leader of the 17th platoon decides to recruit only the best and discovers the hidden ability in Lefon Alsif. But what if Lefon joining could bring more troubles than benefits? Chrome Shelled Regios is a great anime, and I mean not just the post-apocalyptic genre, it never stops to entertain us either with humor, action or screenplay. In the end, you will wish it has a sequel or at least a movie. So if you are searching for a good post-apocalyptic anime to get rid of your boredom, try watching this one. On the 9th number, the anime name is Darling in the Franxx. Humanity gets driven to near extinction by beasts known as Calxosaurus. People live inside the fortification known as Plantation and defends against the beasts using mechas known as Franxx. Hero fails the aptitude test and while in depression, he finds the two horned girls as she introduces herself as Zero Two. Due to an incident, they both pilot a mecha and Hero's future changes from this moment. Some people say Darling in the Franxx is overrated, while on the other side some people love it. Regardless, if you are looking for a post-apocalyptic anime with good entertainment, this one is all you need. It has numerous flaws, but it still manages to pull it off in providing what exactly the audience needs. Instead of just focusing on the action, it gives a lot of space for love stories and friendship too. On the 8th number, the anime name is Ovari no Seraph. A mysterious virus kills all the adults on Earth, and soon vampires occupy the place to enslave the humans. The people under age 13 have become a source of blood for them. After a few years, Yuichiro and his friends get sick of being livestock and attempts an escape. Except for him, everyone dies, and he meets humans who are outside. Will he get his revenge? Seraph of the End is a really good post-apocalyptic anime with some incredible action sequences. The story pulls you in right from the beginning and never makes you bored. As episode passes by, you will witness plot twist and the ending could really make you go crazy. Thus, it is an excellent post-apocalyptic anime you need to consider watching. On the 7th number, the anime name is Girls Last Tour. The tale of the two girls, Chito and Yuri, while they travel through the dislocated landscapes carrying food, water, and fuel. The world they wander is a lonely one, since only these two are the survivors. Although it is tough to live in such a world, they both find happiness in little things such as military rations, hot baths, etc. Even though the whole human civilization has perished, these both can find something to live on. If I had to sum up this anime in one word, it would be bittersweet. It might not have action sequences, a thrilling plot, but if you are having a stressful and hateful life, this anime could change your life. I mean, what can inspire you more than a story that summarizes to find something you can live for, even when the world ends? So if you haven't come across this short anime, consider yourself lucky and watch this right now. On the 6th number, the anime name is Shinsekai Yori. The story takes place after 1,000 years where humans live using psychokinetic powers and with the aid of the monster rats. From the Sage Academy, a school of physics, Saki begins to question the faith of the people who can't awake their psychic powers. In the process, she discovers even more shocking truth about society. Have you ever watched an imaginative and thought-provoking post-apocalyptic anime? If not, then this is the exact anime you are looking for. You are probably have never watched something like this ever in your life. Although this anime isn't much popular, such an amazing story shouldn't be overlooked. With sublime character and execution, it is something that you just can't ignore. On the 5th number, the anime name is Patema Inverted. Princess Patema is a curious girl, and one day she explores tunnels underground after finding out that someone has gone missing. However, she gets startled and falls into a pit. She finds herself on a surface and discovers that the world is literally turned upside down, and she was about to get swallowed by the sky. A boy named Age saves her. Thus their journey has begun in this weird world. Firstly, this anime movie deserves a lot of praise for the concept alone. It is definitely a unique take on the post-apocalyptic genre, and the execution was perfect. The animation was great, and it will always make you curious about what will happen next. So if you got curious by listening to the synopsis, you should definitely go for this anime. On the 4th number, the anime name is Tengen Toppa Gurren Lagann. Simon has lived a boring life in an underground village, and his job is to dig out tunnels. One day, he finds a mysterious robot, and together with his friends Kamina, he flies out on the surface. But they face far stronger enemies on the surface, and with this one, their fight for humanity has just begun. But how are they going to win over such strong enemies? Gurren Lagann is a masterpiece of the sci-fi genre, and at least in my opinion, the post-apocalyptic setting is unique, and literally every aspect has its positive traits. If you want fully action-packed post-apocalyptic anime, then you shouldn't be missing this anime at all. On the 3rd number, the anime name is Nausicaa of the Valley of the Wind. 1,000 years have passed since the nuclear war named 7 Days of Fire has taken place. Although most of the land is still affected by the toxic substances, Valley of the Wind is an exception. The Princess Nausicaa finds an airship from the kingdom of Thalmekia crashing onto their land. And as they intend to revive a weapon, she does whatever it takes to stop them. Hayao Miyazaki always brings us masterpieces, and this anime movie is one of them. Released in 1984, it is the second movie of Miyazaki and one of the best movies in his career. Seriously, this anime is an underrated masterpiece. You rarely get to see eye-catching animation from the 90s anime. It is truly one of them, and you will love it for sure. On the 2nd number, the anime name is Attack on Titan. When humanity goes extinct because of the man-eating giants, a small portion of the leftover people lived by barricading themselves within the walls that can defend them against these giants. However, to everyone's surprise, a colossal titan appears and destroyed the first wall. Losing his mother, Eren retreats to the next wall, and since then he determines to exterminate all of the titans in this world. Attack on Titan has to be one of the most intense post-apocalyptic anime out there. The plot seems standard in the start, but it gets complicated as we move forward. Plot twists are simply mind-blowing and action sequences are epic. It captures the true essence of apocalypse, but takes it in a unique way. So if you haven't watched this fantastic post-apocalyptic anime, now is the time to do it. On the first number, the anime name is Dr. Stone. A mysterious phenomenon takes place on Earth and the whole humanity gets petrified. After 3700 years later, Senku, a science geek, wakes up due to the mysterious liquid. Soon he decides to revive humanity along with his best friend Taiju. But will it be possible with just two of them? Especially when there are foes who don't want that to happen. Dr. Stone is a fantastic and unique take on the apocalypse genre. If you love science, you will probably watch this anime twice or thrice. It despites how Senku reinvents all of the needs with the exact detail. It is an action-packed, mysterious, hilarious, and definitely a wonderful post-apocalyptic anime you need to watch at any cost. And it is one of my top 10 favorite animes of all time. So if you haven't watched Dr. Stone, you should do it right now. And yeah, that was for the video guys. That was the list about top 13 best post-apocalyptic animes of all time. Post-apocalyptic genre conspires of numerous concepts and every one of them weighs a lot. If you are into this genre, then you are one of those people with the best taste out there. These anime shows mentioned in this video captures the true essence of events and how the world becomes when an apocalypse takes place on the earth. So watch this and ensure your survival. And if you have already watched any of this, then let me know what's your favorite in the comment section down below. And if you enjoyed this video, just don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel because I post daily anime content about top 10 top 5 listings, anime reviews, recommendations, news, theories and all sort of anime content on daily basis. So if you enjoyed, please subscribe. And that was it, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.